Hey friends and students, in this video we will be covering exercise of comparative adjectives. Stick around till the end of the video and hit the subscribe button below. Let's do. The train was blank minutes late. The options are a few, a little. The answer is a few. The train was a few minutes late. A few is used when referring to a small number of something, in this case, a small number of minutes. A little is used for uncountable nouns like a little water or a little sugar, whereas a few is used for countable nouns like a few minutes or a few apples. Since minutes is countable, a few is the correct choice. My blank sister is a doctor. The options are older, elder. The answer is elder. Elder is used to describe the senior member of two siblings. It implies a family relationship and often suggests seniority in age or authority within the family. Older is more commonly used to describe age difference between people in general, not necessarily within a family context. Since we are referring to a sibling relationship, elder is the appropriate choice. The cake is blank than the cookies. The options are tastier, tastiest. The answer is tastier. The cake is tastier than the cookies. Tastier is the comparative form of the adjective tasty used when comparing the taste of two things. Tastiest is the superlative form of the adjective tasty, used when comparing the taste of three or more things. However, in this sentence, we are only comparing the cake and the cookies, so the correct choice is tastier. There were blank than 20 guests. The options are less, fewer. The answer is fewer. There were fewer than 20 guests. Fewer is used when referring to countable items like guest in this case. It indicates a smaller number in quantity. Less is used when referring to uncountable quantities such as less water or less time. Since guest is countable, fewer is the correct choice to indicate a smaller number in this context. The elephant is blank than the rabbit. The choice is bigger, biggest. The answer is bigger. The elephant is bigger than the rabbit. Bigger is the comparative form of the adjective big, used when comparing two things. Biggest is the superlative form of the adjective big, used when comparing three or more things. However, in this sentence, we are only comparing the elephant and the rabbit, so the correct choice is bigger. This is the blank day of my life. The choice is happier, happiest. The answer is happiest. This is the happiest day of my life. Happiest is the superlative form of the adjective happy, used to describe the highest degree of happiness. In this context, you are referring to the day with the most happiness, so happiest is the correct choice. I have blank friends. The choice is many, much. The answer is many. I have many friends. Many is used with countable nouns like friends. Much is used with uncountable nouns like water or time. Since friends is countable, many is the correct choice. Tom is the blank boy in the class. The choice is strong, strongest. The answer is strongest. Tom is the strongest boy in the class. Strongest is the superlative form of the adjective strong, used to indicate the highest degree of strength among a group. Strong is the base form, while stronger is the comparative form used when comparing two things. Since we are indicating that Tom has the highest level of strength among all the boys in the class, strongest is the correct choice. The red balloon is black than the blue balloon. The choice is smaller, smallest. The answer is smaller. The red balloon is smaller than the blue balloon. Smaller is the comparative form of the adjective small used when comparing two things. Smallest is the superlative form of the adjective small used when comparing three or more things. However, in this sentence, we are only comparing the red and blue balloons, so the correct choice is smaller. The cat is black than the turtle. The choice is faster, fastest. The answer is faster. The cat is faster than the turtle. Faster is the correct choice in this sentence. Faster is used to compare two things, indicating that the cat has a higher speed than the turtle. Fastest would be used if comparing three or more things, indicating that the cat is fastest among them all. Cats are black than dogs. The choice is nicest, nicer. Now you tell me the answer and explain.